In this video, we are going to look at how to merge two tables into one using Power Query. In this example, I have two tables. The item table with income, expense along with the amount and date. Another table with category and the item. I am selecting the first table, click on Data then Table Range. The Power Query editor opens and you will notice the table name appears here. Now let's make few edits to the data type. First, for date column, change the date type as it in date and time format. Instead, we want only date. Right click on it, go to change type and choose the last option using local. And then choose the data type as date, then choose English United States. You could choose United States, United Kingdom or India or any other country based on your location. Click OK. Select the amount column. Change the data type from a whole number to currency. Then close this Power Query editor. We are not going to load this data into a table. Instead, choose Only Create Connection option and click OK. Click on Table Range from Data menu. If you notice category table is added. We will merge the category table with the personal finance table. To do so, let's select personal finance table. Click on Merge Queries, then the first option. Choose a column which is common in both the tables. In this example, it is the item column that is common. Select item column from personal finance table, then choose category table, choose item, then click on OK. If you notice a new column has been added, however, there is a hyperlink which says table. We are going to bring in only the category column and not the item since it is already available here. You will also notice there are two arrows pointing at left and right. We are going to select that and select only category, then click OK. You will see those categories appearing over here. Let's close this and don't load this information into any table or sheet. Instead, choose Only Create Connection, then click OK. I have two connections. One connection is just a category table. Another connection is with the entire expense items and the category. Right-click on this and say Load to and change from Only Create Connection to Table, then choose New Worksheet. A new table is created in a new worksheet with the information that we created in Power Query Editor. If we add any data to it, for example, let's add the data for March 2023. Let's add gifts, and it's going to be -$50. We can go over here and if you see it is not added automatically. We must right-click and refresh, or we can go to data and click refresh. It is refreshed with the category added, and probably we can also change the categories over here. For example, let's change home category. Change this from home to home improvements. And then go to personal finance sheet again. Right-click refresh. Here it is. That's how we could use a Power Query to merge two tables into one. If you have any questions, please drop a note on the comment section.